How to laser engraving photo. Laser marking machine for photos. First, adjust the following parameters of the JPG photos through Photoshop software. E. Click on the image, adjust automatic contrast. R. Click on the image to adjust the photo to black and white. S. Click on the image to manually adjust the brightness and contrast. After adjusting the contrast and brightness, save the photo in BMP format and import it into EZCAD software. The important parameter of EZCAD E. Speed 300到500毫米 As important, it effect marking result. R. Powers according to the materials. 3. Set other photo marking parameter. E. Convert pictures into sketches through Photoshop or other software. R. Import into EZCAD software. Set speed, power, photo marking and other parameters. 3. Marking speed 300 to 500 mm per second. It is important. Laser marking simple strokes. 1. First, draw patterns in white paper. 2. Input CorelDRAW. Select bitmap trace, high quality image. After processing, save it in PLT format. 3. Open using EZCAD software. Set parameter to mark.